Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. For today I prepared for you a new algebra problem. Let a, b, c be real positive numbers such that a plus b plus c equals 1. We have to calculate this sum of radicals. How can we do this? I think it's quite simple, don't worry. Look, for example, let's take the first square root. A squared plus 4b plus 4c. Now we can factor here. Look, a squared plus 4 times the quantity b plus c, which is equal next to it. Pay attention here. We have a squared plus 4 times. Because a plus b plus c equals 1, it follows that b plus c is 1 minus a. So here we have 1 minus a. I think so far was pretty easy, isn't it? Now is equal next to it the square root of a squared minus 4a plus 4. Yes, you guessed, we can make the square root disappear. A minus 2 all squared is this quantity. So we can cancel them, but not absolute, because we have the absolute value of a minus 2. Okay, now we will do the same here. The square root of b squared plus 4c plus 4a. As you know, we have the square root of b squared plus 4 times c minus c, plus c, sorry, which is the square root of b squared plus 4 times a plus c is just 1 minus b. b squared minus 4b plus 4, which is the square root of b minus 2 squared, so is equal with the absolute value of b minus 2. I think you guessed that with the same c squared plus 4a plus 4b we can make the same calculation. So we have the absolute value of c minus 2. But now we can add them together. So we will have that absolute value of a minus 2 plus absolute value of b minus 2 plus absolute value of c minus 2 is equal with. In our case, we have a plus b plus c equals 1, but at the same time they are positive real numbers. So all these three numbers are less than or equal with 1. So the maximum value of a, b, or c is 1. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So we have 2 minus a from the absolute value, plus 2 minus b, and then plus 2 minus c. It's equal next to it. 2 times 3 is 6, minus the quantity a plus b plus c, which is 6 minus, as we know here, is 1. So the sum of these radicals is 5. It wasn't so hard, I think. So now all you have to do is like this video and share with your friends, and see you next time.